Hey guys, my name is Jera from Pimclick, a digital marketing and tech agency, and today we'll be looking into the 4 essential tips about how to use YouTube for your business. So YouTube is, if not, one of the most popular social media platforms in today's age. And yes, you have Facebook, Twitter, who have definitely taken by storm from many business leaders. But it is YouTube that many go to seek latest trends, tutorials, news, or basically anything. It is a powerful social media platform, although many companies tend to avoid using it for several reasons. If we're looking into statistics, it is the most used cable network for people aged 18 to 34 years old. People also spend their time watching videos at around 6 billion hours every month. This score increases by 50% in 1 year, according to the study of Mushroom Network. This basically shows that YouTube offers many opportunities for your business, that with the right knowledge on knowing how to optimize it, you can basically attract the right people and gain a good revenue stream for your business. So now I'll be talking about the 4 essential tips about how to use YouTube for your business. So the first one is you will need to know how to target your audience. So of course, there are millions of people around the world who are always on their phone or laptop, but there is a high chance that none of them are looking at your product. Even attracting that 5 to 10% is already a good start to improving your business. So it is without a doubt that you can reach a large part of customers, as this is the second most popular search engine in the world behind Google. But even if you can reach all kinds of audience, you can definitely get lost. So what do you do first? You must analyze the habits of your potential customers by asking which kinds of videos do they watch? What is interesting enough to attract these people? So we can easily distinguish 2 types of videos, like education videos, stuff like maybe how-tos or documentaries, or entertainment, which are basically humoristic videos. It's important to know that having these 2 types of videos can drastically improve your target audience, which ultimately brings you more customers. The next is to succeed in conversion. A video is much more efficient to spread the word or news rather than a text. And you must clearly establish a strategy when approaching video making. Your video must show a message and the values of your company. And again, sometimes audiences can also get lost if the videos are boring, so making them at least interesting can keep them hooked to your business. Really important as well to know the people tend to prefer watching videos than reading text, as we are all visual learners and it's a trend in today's age. It is also easier for clients to be concentrated and to understand things when it comes into a video. And once again, applying both educational and entertaining videos is absolute must. And the most of all, which is the third part, is to definitely not neglect SEO. Many people like to stray away from it, but SEO strategy is also relevant to use on YouTube. The principle itself remains the same as in other social media platforms. You have to use relevant keyword tags that is linked to your business. You have billions of people watching and searching videos, but are you using the right keywords? You really need to ask this. You can easily attract if you use the right ones. And moreover, the title of your video must also be relevant and easy for the user to find. You have some people making longer titles that basically don't make sense, so why not you just shorten it? Quality over quantity. And your description should also use as many keywords as possible. One of the main metrics for YouTube is the number of times users spend on a video. You want to have your viewers not only open your video and close it immediately, but you also want them to have them hooked, interested in the message that you're trying to portray. So do not ignore your engagement with the users. It is critical that your users also comment, like, or share your videos. And just a small note too, do not forget to add a CTA to your website. It's basically a link that you insert on your video under a graphic form, which could be either a button or a banner. And lastly, the last tip is to manage your YouTube channel with the right tools. Many companies think that they need, too many budget and capabilities to open a YouTube channel. It is also so easy to create one. And with new smartphones, you can shoot good quality videos without professional equipment. Many softwares are also available online for editing, and many of them are in fact free. YouTube also has a dedicated tool to check statistics on views, likes, or subscribers. So these are basically some tips to show you how important it is to use YouTube as a platform, and if you aren't on it yet, I suggest getting on it now. So that's it for my topic today, and I hope everything was easy to follow through. Don't forget to please like and share this video if you found this interesting, and also comment down if you have any questions, and our team will definitely get back to you. You can also download our ebook in the description below, and do not also forget to visit our website in the link provided. And if you would like to work together, feel free to contact us or me directly. Thank you, and we'll see you again in the next video.